Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Quick fix guide, how to troubleshoot your windshield washers. Windshield washers are a crucial component of any vehicle, playing a vital role in maintaining driver safety and visibility on the road. When these washers malfunction, drivers often face common issues such as reduced visibility due to dirty windshields, especially in adverse weather conditions. In this video, we will delve into the world of troubleshooting windshield washers, providing you with practical tips and solutions to address these issues effectively. Whether you're dealing with intermittent spray, no fluid coming out, or other washer-related problems, we've got you covered with actionable steps to get your windshield washers back in top working condition. Stay tuned as we uncover the essential steps to diagnose and fix windshield washer issues, ensuring that you can drive with clarity and confidence no matter the weather or road conditions. Let's embark on this journey together to ensure your windshield washers are operating seamlessly and keeping you safe on every drive. Understanding windshield washers. Windshield washers play a crucial role in maintaining clear visibility while driving, especially during adverse weather conditions. Understanding how these systems work and the importance of regular maintenance can help ensure they function effectively when needed. Let's look into common windshield washer problems and the significance of proper upkeep. Common windshield washer problems. Clogged nozzles. One of the most frequent issues is clogged washer nozzles, hindering the proper spraying of washer fluid onto the windshield. This impediment can lead to inefficient cleaning and reduced visibility. Empty reservoir. An empty washer fluid reservoir can cause the system to malfunction, resulting in no fluid being sprayed onto the windshield when activated. Regularly checking and refilling the reservoir is crucial for optimal performance. Faulty pump. A faulty pump can prevent the washer fluid from being pumped through the system properly. This can manifest as no fluid spraying onto the windshield or an insufficient amount reaching the glass. Leaks in the system. Leaks in the hoses or reservoir can lead to a loss of washer fluid, diminishing the effectiveness of the system. Identifying and repairing leaks promptly is essential to maintain the integrity of the washer system. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to preventing common windshield washer problems and ensuring the system operates reliably when needed. Here are some maintenance tips to keep your windshield washer in top condition. Check fluid levels. Regularly inspect the washer fluid level in the reservoir and top up as needed to avoid running out of fluid unexpectedly. Clean nozzles. Periodically check and clean the washer nozzles to prevent blockages that can disrupt the even distribution of fluid on the windshield. Inspect the system. Conduct routine inspections of the entire washer system, including hoses, pump, nozzles, and reservoir for any signs of damage or leaks. Addressing issues early can prevent larger problems down the road. By understanding common windshield washer problems and the importance of regular maintenance, you can ensure that your washer system functions effectively, providing clear visibility and safety on the roads. Troubleshooting windshield washer issues. Windshield washer troubles can be a real hassle, especially when you need a clear view while driving. Here's a guide to troubleshooting common windshield washer issues so you can hit the road with a crystal clear view. Step 1. Checking washer fluid level. Locating the washer fluid reservoir in your car is the first step. It's usually a transparent container with markings indicating the fluid level. Check it against the minimum and maximum marks. If it's low, top up with a washer fluid recommended for your vehicle. Simply unscrew the cap, pour in the fluid until it reaches the maximum line, and securely close the cap. Step 2. Inspecting nozzles and hoses. Clogged nozzles and hoses can hinder the washer system's performance. To inspect them, gently remove the nozzles and use a needle or pin to clear any obstructions. For hoses, detach them and blow air through to dislodge any debris. Reattach the components securely and test the washer system to ensure water flows smoothly. Step 3. Testing the washer pump. To check if the washer pump is functioning, have someone activate the washer system while you listen for a humming sound near the reservoir. If you don't hear anything, the pump may be faulty. Troubleshoot by checking the fuse or wiring. If the issue persists, consider replacing the pump with a compatible one. Step 4. Fixing leaks in the system. Leaks in the washer system can lead to inefficiencies. Detect leaks by inspecting for wet spots around hoses, connectors, or the reservoir. To seal minor leaks, use waterproof tape or sealant. For larger leaks or damaged parts, replacement might be necessary. Ensure all connections are tight to prevent future leaks. Professional help and additional tips. When faced with complex issues with your windshield washers, seeking professional help is often the best course of action. Automotive experts have the knowledge and experience to diagnose and repair intricate problems efficiently, ensuring the optimal functioning of your windshield washers. When to seek professional help. If you encounter persistent issues such as leaks, clogs, or unusual noises coming from the washer system, it's advisable to consult a professional technician. Trying to troubleshoot complicated problems without the necessary expertise can potentially worsen the situation or lead to further damage. A skilled professional can accurately identify the root cause of the problem and implement effective solutions promptly. Additional tips for maintaining windshield washers. Apart from seeking professional assistance when needed, regular maintenance and care are essential for ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of your windshield washers. Here are some additional tips to keep your washer system in top condition. Regular fluid check. Periodically check the washer fluid levels and top up as needed to ensure you always have an adequate supply for clear visibility on the road. Cleaning nozzles. Inspect and clean the washer nozzles to prevent clogs and ensure a steady and uniform spray pattern when you activate the washer system. Seasonal adjustment. Adjust the washer fluid mixture ratio according to the seasons. Opt for a winter-grade solution in colder months to prevent freezing and a summer-grade solution for effective cleaning during warmer weather. Wiper blade maintenance. Maintain your wiper blades in good condition as they work in conjunction with the washer system. Replace worn-out blades promptly to avoid streaking or smearing on the windshield. Protect from freezing. In regions with cold temperatures, use a winter-grade washer fluid to prevent freezing in the washer reservoir and lines, keeping the system functional even in chilly conditions. By following these additional tips and knowing when to seek professional help, you can ensure that your windshield washers remain reliable and effective, providing clear visibility for safe driving in various conditions. In summary, troubleshooting windshield washers is essential for ensuring clear visibility while driving. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can easily address common issues such as clogs or leaks. Remember to regularly inspect and maintain your windshield washer system to avoid any unexpected problems on the road. Prioritizing the maintenance of your windshield washers is not just about convenience, but it's also a crucial aspect of safe driving practices. A clean and functional windshield washer system can make all the difference in navigating through various weather conditions and road debris. Stay proactive in caring for this often overlooked component of your vehicle to enjoy a safer and clearer driving experience. Don't overlook the importance of keeping your windshield washers in top condition. Safe travels start with clear visibility, so take the time to troubleshoot and maintain your windshield washers for a smooth and safe journey ahead. We hope you found the information helpful in resolving any issues you may have encountered. Remember to perform regular maintenance on your windshield washer system to prevent future problems. Safe driving. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.